This is Kyle Schu bringing you live action, live footage. Today, September 1st, 2017 at 3:02 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here we see my dad and Mr. Karl Schu, a trout angler fishing at the famous Benton Falls in downtown Benton, Pennsylvania, in Columbia County. So here we're in the breach of the dam of the falls here. Up there you see is the dam, part of it where the kids like to go swimming. They shouldn't go swimming, but they like to go swimming there in hot and summer days, and even young adults as well, but it's not good to go swimming by the dam. Many fishermen walked and trod the Benton Falls over the years, a good many years since it was built, many eons ago and years ago, and fished the Benton Falls, caught some major fish. Today we see them overlooking the Benton Falls. Let's focus on my dad, Mr. Karl Schu, now, see what he's up to. There he is. He got one. He got one. Come on, folks. He got a fish. Look at that. He got a fish. Look at that. Look at that. He got a fish. My dad got a fish. This is awesome. Bring it closer, Karl. Bring it closer, Dad. Oh, wow. Awesome. Awesome. Look, he got a fish. Got a fish at the Benton Falls. Yes. Very good, Dad. Good job today, Dad, Karl. Very good. I give you a thumbs up of mine. Thumbs up for a good job. Good thumbs up there. That was my dad got a fish here. He got a couple other fish at different places. Even at the Boy Scout camp up in Benton there, I caught a Tiger Trout. And there, a place he caught another fish, and then this is his second, or actually this is his third fish he caught here. He got a second fish or two before. So I'm very happy for him that he got the fish, and I'm very excited for him. So see, we see the golf gas station there. You can see the golf sign there. That's bridge is Route 47 there that goes to Benton, main route for Benton. And that white building right there is yes, the famous Hoboken Sub Shop, where they make the awesome and most famous roast beef hoagies and a good homemade awesome macaroni salad. Way to go again, Dad, Karl. Way to go. Let's get myself ready. There's the Benton Falls there. Hopefully waters. So I, Mr. Kyle Schu, must say goodbye now to this wonderful day. Glorious day. We keep on fishing on at the Benton Falls in Benton, Pennsylvania. So I say, you, my friends, my family, goodbye. See ya. And thank you. This is Mr. Kyle Schu, video taker, photo taker. Thanks you. Along with our star fisherman today, Mr. Karl Schu. Thank you. And goodbye. What a smile on my face. And oh lordy, the sun is shining today. I look down upon us fishermen.